no. What the fuck are you doing, Mauritania? Yes, it's a good. Good job, Mali. Now the next, bordering the Western Sahara, Mauritania. Yes, that's me. Vietnam National Bank, like this. And now the last player playing this game, Morocco. Yes, I'm a beautiful country. Yeah, ow, ow. Good score. Now let's see the rank. Rank 10, Syria. Rank 9, Libya. Rank 8, Algeria. Rank 7, Israel. Rank 6, Jordan. Rank 5, Western Sahara. Rank 4, Chad. Rank 3, Mauritania. Rank 2, Mali. And then rank 1 is Morocco. Morocco, are you okay? Yes, I am okay.